The word codependency is being overused in this nowadays, and it simply means a relationship where a person is needy or dependent upon others. I'll take it you through in the next videos about the difference between dependence and codependence. Okay, there's much more complex than the word codependence. It does not just mean clinginess, it also means that it is our entire life is designed in pleasing the other person, or whom we call it the enabler. It's a circular relationship wherein I feel the need to be needed and the other person needs. So what happens, it creates a circular relationship where coming out of it becomes very difficult. We are doing a workshop on codependence and the solutions to it. It's a 3-day workshop, 6 hours. The price for it is 3,000 rupees. The link is provided below. To ask us any questions, our numbers are given so that you can ask us any questions. Thank you.